We are going to talk about what is oxidation. Oxidation is a chemical process in which a substance gain oxygen or loses electron or loses hydrogen. These definition applies in different contexts, but all describe oxidation. Okay, modern definition redox. Oxidation is loss of electron. Okay, oxidation we can also say oil. That means oxidation is loss of electron. Okay, for example, magnesium. Here, magnesium has zero charge. Okay, when magnesium loses two electron, okay, two electron and gets a charge of plus 2, that is called oxidation. Why magnesium loses two electrons? So it is oxidized. Okay, traditional definition is oxidation is gain of oxygen. So okay, magnesium, what is the charge on here? Magnesium, that is 0. What is the charge on oxygen? Oxygen is also 0. But here you can see that magnesium has lost two electrons, whereas oxygen has gained two electrons. So magnesium gain oxygen to form magnesium oxide, but it also loses two electrons, so that is oxidized. Another definition is oxidation is a loss of hydrogen. For example, H2S plus Cl2 gives us 2HCl plus S. Here, hydrogen has plus sign, whereas sulfur has minus 2 sign. Okay. Here, chlorine has 0 sign, but here you can see hydrogen has plus 1 sign, whereas chlorine has minus 1 sign. Okay, and sulfur will be 0. So you can see that chlorine state change from 0 to minus 1. So chlorine has been reduced, whereas sulfur, you can see sulfur before that has minus 2 charge. Now it has, from minus 2 it went to 0. Okay, so it loses electron. Okay. Okay. What is reduction? Reduction is opposite of oxidation. The substance is reduced if it loses oxygen, gains electron, or gains hydrogen. Reduction is gain of electron. Oxidation and reduction together. Oxidation and reduction always occur together. Okay, one thing will lose electron, so other thing can gain electron. Okay, this is called redox reaction. Okay, redox reaction is a reaction with in which oxidation and reduction occurs simultaneously. Okay, one substance loses electron while other gains them. For example, I will zoom in a little bit. Okay, now you can see what is the charge on sodium, zinc. Sorry, zinc has a zero charge, copper plus 2 and SO4 minus 2. Now zinc has plus 2 charge, sulfur has minus 2, and copper has 0. So zinc is oxidized. Why? Because it loses electron. Zn plus 2, first it is Zn 0. There is no you can see here there is nothing else. But after that it has make a bond with SO4 minus 2, so it will lose 2 electrons. Whereas reduction, copper first has a charge of Cu plus 2. Here you can see that it has make a bond with SO4, but after gaining 2 electron that zinc has provided, okay, the copper become Cu, simple. Okay, copper plus 2 ion plus 2 electrons gives us copper. Okay, copper ion gain electron. Okay, now here magnesium plus oxygen, that gives us magnesium oxide. Here magnesium has 0 charge, oxygen has 0 charge. Okay, but here magnesium has plus 2 charge. That means magnesium loses 2 electron because it's a group 2 element, and whereas oxygen gains 2 electron. Okay, so what is oxidizing agent? Oxidizing agent causes oxidation of other electron. Okay, it accept electrons. Okay, so it help the other element because the oxidizing element wants to donate electron, so it gains electron and itself reduce. Oxygen is a great oxidizing agent. Chlorine, potassium dichromate 7, potassium dichromate 6. Okay, they are all are very good oxidizing agent. They can reduce, they can oxidize any. For example, if we put magnesium plus chlorine, What is the charge on magnesium? Magnesium, now right now it has zero charge. uh, it has zero charge. Okay, now you can see what is happening. MgCl2 is the formula. Chlorine has zero charge, but magnesium will lose two electrons. Okay, so any one of them is a good oxidizing agent. What is a reducing agent? Reducing agent is opposite of oxidizing. It causes reduction, it donates electron, and itself oxidizes. For example, carbon, hydrogen, carbon monoxide, magnesium, and zinc. Okay, oxidation number. Oxidation number helps to identify oxidation and reduction. For example, here Na is 0, chlorine is 0. Okay, after the reaction, Na is plus 1, whereas chlorine is minus 1. So that is oxidation because Na is losing electron from 0 to minus 1, it will lose electron, whereas chlorine will gain electron. Okay, that is oxy. I will only write oxidation OXI and RED for reduction. Okay, reduction. Oxidation in everyday life. Rusting of iron, burning of fuel is oxidation, respiration is oxidation, corrosion of metal, and food spoilage. Rusting example is simple. When iron, here iron has a zero charge, oxygen has a zero charge, that is plus 1 and minus 2. Now, here you can see iron here has a plus 3 charge, it has minus 2, and then plus 1 and minus 2. You can see here iron has been oxidized, okay, and that is a called rusting. The product, uh, the high, the this produce hydrated iron 3 oxide. That is called rust. Okay, this element is called rust. Why it is produced? Due to the oxidation of iron. Combustion. Combustion is also oxidation reaction. So here that is CH4 plus 2O2. CH4 means hydrogen has plus 1 charge, whereas carbon has a plus 4 1 charge. Here oxygen is negative. Oh, oxygen has zero charge, carbon has plus 4, hydrogen has minus 4. Now here the carbon has minus 4 charge. Okay, so carbon has been oxidized. Sorry, carbon has plus 4, here carbon has minus 4. Okay. So carbon here has been oxidized, whereas oxygen has been reduced. Okay. Metal extraction. Metal oxides are reduced to metals. Okay. Iron is reduced. For example, iron has a plus 3 charge, minus 2. So that is a reduction because iron gain electrons. Okay, and whereas carbon is oxidized because it loses electron. Okay, that is oxidized. Carbon monoxide. Okay, oxidized. Simple table. Oxidation is what? Gain of oxygen, loss of electron, loss of hydrogen, oxidation number increases. Reduction is simply loss of oxygen, gain of electron, gain of hydrogen, oxidation number decreases. That's all about it.